Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am happy.
Wow, you are happy. How about the others?
Why?
You're fine? Okay. What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday. Very good. Okay. How do you spell Monday?
M-O-N-D-A-Y.
Very good. M-O-N-D-A-Y is how we spell Monday. What is the color for Monday?
Yellow.
Very good. Monday is yellow. Okay. Can you give me a fruit that is color yellow?
Banana.
Banana. Very good. Okay, so I think most of you are here already. So we're going to start with our English class. Okay, and we will be using Smile Workbook. So last meeting, what was our topic last meeting? Our topic last meeting is about the different weathers. So what are the different weathers that we have learned from last week? We have rainy, snowy, windy, cloudy, hot, and cold. Okay, so those are the weathers that we have learned from last meeting. Okay, so let's proceed to our topic today, which is about the seasons and months of the year. Okay, so we will be learning about the different seasons and months of the year. Okay, so we had a glimpse about the months of the year from our last topic last meeting. So we're going to proceed with our vocabulary for today. Okay, so we have first vocabulary. We have the word winter. Winter. Number 2, we have spring. Spring. And number 3, we have the word summer. Summer. And number 4, we have the word autumn. Autumn. Number 5, we have the word months. Months. And number 6, we have the word January. January. 7, February. Okay, so we have the word February.
February.
Okay. And number 8, we have the word March.
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 Okay, number 9, we have the word August.
August.
Very good. And number 10, we have the word October.
October.
Very good. October. Okay. So these are our vocabularies for today. So we have the word winter, spring, summer, autumn, months, January, February, March, August, and October. Okay, so these are our vocabularies today that are related to our topic for today. So let's proceed to our first part of discussion, which is the seasons of the year. So what are the different seasons in a year? Okay. So we have, how many seasons do we have in 1 year? Okay, so we're going to talk about that. Okay, so let's have the first one. We have the first season, which is winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. That's how we spell winter. Okay, so when it's winter, what do you see in the picture? It is snowy. Okay, so the weather is snowy. When it is winter, it is snowy and it is cold. Okay, so the next season, we have spring. Okay, so how do we spell spring?
Spring. Spring.
Okay, very good. We have spring. Okay, so we have here the spring. Okay, so when it is spring, it is the time where flowers and the plants bloom. Okay, so the weather here is sunny and warm. Okay, the next season is summer. So how do you spell summer?
SUMMER.
Okay, SUMMER. That's how we spell summer. So what is the weather when it is summer? What is the weather? Okay, very good. It is hot. Very good. How do you spell hot?
HOT.
Very good. We have HOT. Okay. So when it is summer, it is very hot. Okay. So our next season is we have the autumn or fall. Okay. Autumn or fall. Okay. How do you spell autumn? Okay. So we spell autumn as AUTUMN. That's autumn, or we say fall. Okay, so how do we spell fall? FALL. Okay, so this season, it is the time where the leaves fall off from the trees. Okay, and it is windy. Okay, and the weather here is cool. Okay, so those are the seasons of the year. So how many seasons did we have discussed? Okay, so there are 4 seasons in a year. We have winter, spring, summer, and fall or autumn. So let's proceed to the next part of our discussion, which is the months of the year. So how many months are there in 1 year? Okay, so in 1 year, we have 12 months. What is the first month of the year? We have January. Okay, so January is the first month of the year. Okay, so the season here is winter. Okay, for January, the season is winter. Okay, we have the next month. We have February. Okay, February is the second month of the year. And the season here is, we have winter season. Okay. Next, we have the third month of the year, which is March. Okay, March is the third month of the year. And the season for March is spring. Spring season. Okay, next we have the fourth month of the year is April. Okay, so what is the season in this month? The season for April is also spring. Next, we have the fifth month, which is the month of May. The season for May is also spring. Okay. Sixth month of the year is, we have the month of June. And the season here is the start of summer. Okay, so the season for June is summer. Next is, we have July. Okay, so the seventh month of the year is July. And the season here is summer. Okay. July is in summer season. Okay, so next we have the 8th month of the year, which is August, summer season. Okay, so August is the last summer season. Okay, and next we have the 9th month of the year, which is the month of September. September is the start of fall season or autumn season. And the 10th month of the year, we have the month of October. October is also fall season. Okay. And the 11th month of the year, we have the month of November. Okay. And November is the end of fall season. And the last month or the 12th month of the year, we have the month of December. Okay, so month of December, we have winter season. Okay, so month of December is winter season. So let's just have a quick review of our discussion today. So for our discussion, we have discussed the seasons of the year. So the seasons of the year, we have 4. We have winter, spring, autumn, and summer. Okay, so we have 4 seasons. And the month of the year, we have 12. And each month have different seasons. Okay, so let's start with December. January, February are in winter season. March, April, May is spring season. June, July, August is summer season. Okay. September, October, November is autumn. Okay, so those are the seasons and months of the year. So let's proceed to our activity for today, which we will start on page 18 of your workbook. Okay, so on page 18 of your workbook, we have here in lesson 2, activity 1 or exercise 1. So we have the instruction, look and write the season words. Okay, so here are the season words. We have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Okay, so we have here number 1. What season is number 1? Is it spring, summer, autumn, or winter? Okay, so number 1 is spring season. Spring season, okay? It is the time where flowers or plants bloom. Okay, so how do you spell spring?
Spring.
Very good. Spring. Okay, so number 1 is spring. Okay, how about number 2? What season is number 2?
It is autumn.
Autumn, very good. So how do you spell autumn?
A-U-T-U-M.
Okay, very good. A-U-T-U-M-N. Okay, so number 2 is autumn. Okay, what about number 3? What season is it? Okay, so for number 3, the season is winter. So how do we spell winter? We have
W-I-N-T-E-R.
Very good. W-I-N-T-E-R. Very good. That's winter. And the last number, which is number 4. What season is it? The season is Summer. So how do we spell summer?
SUMMER.
SUMMER. Very good. So we have exercise number 1. We have number 1, spring, autumn, and number 3, winter. Number 4, summer. Okay, so let's proceed to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, the instruction says, look and write the sentence. Okay, example in number 1, we have summer season. So what season is it? It's summer. Okay, so what about number 2? What season is it? It's spring. It's spring. Okay, and number 3, we have, what season is it? What season is it? It is winter. Okay, so number 3, the season is winter. So you're right, it's winter. Okay, and the last number 4, what season is it? It's autumn. Okay, so that is number 4. So exercise number 2, we have number 2, it's spring. Number 3, it's winter. And number 4, it's autumn. Okay, page 19 of your book. Okay, so we have the instruction in exercise number 3. We have match the words with the pictures. Okay, so you're going to match the words with this picture from the left and the words from the right. Okay, so you're going to draw an arrow going to the picture and the words that match together. Okay, so we have number 1. We have, what season is this? The season is spring. Okay, so where is spring? S-P-R-I-N-G. Okay, so you're going to draw an arrow going to spring. Okay, so like that. Okay, and number 2, we have here winter season. Winter season. So where is the word winter? W-I-N-T-E-R. Okay, and next is we have summer season. Summer season. So how do we spell summer? S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. So it's here. Okay, and number 4, we have autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Okay, so it is here. Okay, so that is for exercise number 3. Okay, next let's move on to the second part of the activity. So now, complete the sentence. That's the instruction in this activity. So we have example in number 1. In spring, it's warm. So it is asking for the weather during these seasons. Okay, so we have number 2. In summer, it's hot. In summer, it's hot. So how do you spell hot? H-O-T. In summer, it's hot. Okay. In autumn, it's cool. C-O-O-L. It's cool. In winter, it's cold. Okay. So that's how you're going to do the second activity. Okay. So we have number 1. In spring, it's warm. And number 2, in summer, it's hot. Number 3, in autumn, it's cool. And number 4, in winter, it's cold. Okay, so if everyone is finished, please move on to page 20. Page 20 of your workbook, we have exercise number 4. The instruction says, write the months under the seasons. So what are the months under these seasons? Okay, so we have discussed this a while ago. So we have the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Okay, so what are the months under spring season? We have March. March is under spring. Next month, we have April. April is also in spring season. And the last month, we have May. So under spring season, we have March, April, May. Okay, so next season is we have summer. So what are the months under summer season? Okay, so we have June, July, and August. So these are the months under summer season. We have June, July, and August. Next season is we have autumn. Autumn is in the months of September, October, and November. Okay, so these are the months under autumn season, September, October, and November. In the last season, we have winter season. So what are the months under winter season? We have December, January, and February. Okay, so these are the months under winter season. We have December, January, February. Okay, so those are the months under each seasons. Okay, so we have here exercise number 5. We have write the answers. When spring, so it is asking for when do these seasons occur, okay, or happen. So when summer, it's in June, July, and August. Okay, so you're going to write the months here. It's in June, July, and August. Okay. And when's autumn? When is autumn? It's in September, October, and November. So you're going to write September, October, and November. Okay. And last, when's winter? It's in December, January, and February. Okay, so that's how you're going to do this activity. Okay, page 21 of your workbook, you will see this activity. Activity 6, we have the instruction. Look at the picture, write the season words and answer the question. Okay, so the instruction says, look at the pictures, write the season words, and answer the questions. Okay, so we're going to do this activity. So let's start with letter A. Okay, what season is this? It is autumn. Okay, so letter A is in autumn season. Autumn. In letter B, we have winter season. Okay, winter. And now letter C, we have spring season. And letter D, we have summer season. Okay, so we have question number 1. What's the weather like in autumn? It is cool and windy. Okay, what's the weather like in winter? It is cold. What's the weather like in spring? It is warm. And number 4, what's the weather like in summer? What's the weather like in summer? It is hot. Okay, so this is how we're going to do this activity. Okay, so if you are finished, okay, please open your book on page 22. 22. Okay, so this page, it will be your homework, okay? Page 22, same with page 23. Page 23, also your homework, okay? Okay, so what you're going to do is unscramble the month words, then write the numbers of the month in order. In here, page 23, draw and write. So you're going to draw. Draw in color, summer, spring, winter, or autumn. Okay, so you're going to write here the name of the season and you're going to draw it on the box. Okay. So, do you understand? เข้าใจไหมคะ Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good. This ends our topic for today about seasons and months of the year. Thank you, students, for joining teacher, and see you again on Monday next week. I hope to see you soon, and stay healthy and stay safe, everyone. Okay, so see you Monday. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye.